AC Guy 1948 here. Going to be doing an unboxing on this Bostitch. I believe that's how it's pronounced. It comes with a drill and an impact driver. I already had a drill with a lithium battery. This one, Black & Decker. I bought this in a kit for like 75 bucks. It was a big kit that came with a bunch of stuff. But I've been pretty happy with this drill. And I almost bought the Black & Decker version of impact driver, but then I saw this came with a battery for each, and this here alone was like $80. The one of this was like 60 something. So I was like, for $130 I can get another drill, have two batteries for it. So it was just like, this looked like the better deal to me. Now it's 18 volt instead of 20 volt, and I can't interchange the batteries, but you know, if these last, then I shouldn't have any problem, and I can keep this as an extra spare if we've got a big project going and someone can have an extra drill. So, okay, I'm gonna do a unboxing here, and yeah, this knife's probably not the best thing for it, but yeah, there we go. Ooh, comes with a carry bag. Nice. Here's the charger. Nice and big. The one that came on this was just a little thing that hooks on the battery, slides on it slides on the end of the battery, and that's all you got for a charger, which is pretty nice, but a little easier to lose if you drop it behind somewhere. This one's kind of big and beefy. 18 volt. I don't know if you can read. That's just instructions on charging it. Recharge battery at least every 12 months. Okay. I wasn't planning on letting it go that long. But alright, here's that. Now let's get down to the exciting bit. This is what I was interested in. Well, there should be an opening. And do this through the camera is kind of difficult. There we go. That actually feels pretty good in the hand. Let's see. I like it. It's not too big. And you compare it to a drill. It's definitely smaller. To a point. Well, maybe it's close, but alright. So there's that. Let's get the drill out. Comes wrapped as well. That feels really nice in the hand. I like it. It's got a 2-speed motor. I believe this is a brushed motor on it. Keyless chuck. Most of them come with that. A bunch of all your different gear settings for the motor or for driving. Here's your two batteries. One there. One there. Okay. Is there anything else in the box? Instructions and battery covers. That's what that. Oh, that's your belt clips, I guess. Not sure what these things have the belt clips on. Nope. Okay, so these are the belt clips if you want to use them. So, let's hook a battery in, see if we got any charge. Ooh. Oh, camera's moving on me. Hold on. Forgot to tighten up the tripod. There we go. Ooh, that's got some power. I can feel it kind of jerking me around there with the... See how this one actually moves in my hand? And this one, not so much. Wow. And that's in first speed. Let's see what second is. Wow. That, I like that. Okay. Let's try this out. LED, I like that. I must say, now I gotta find something to try it out on. New toy. Well, I don't know if I ought to charge these up or not. We'll see. I'm gonna go see about finding something to take apart with this real quick. Well, at least some screws to undo. This here, I believe, is gonna be a good drill. That thing just, yeah, it's a brush. It's a brush motor. Look at the sparks. I don't know if the sparks are showing up on camera, but you can definitely see sparks of it being brushed. So this one, yep, it's brush motor too in there. Yeah, you can kind of see the sparks moving. All right, well, I think that does it for this little part of the video. I'm going to do a jump cut where I'm going to see if hopefully I got something that'll fit in there. Should be a standard, but we'll see real quick. Okay, what I have here is a Briggs & Stratton 5 horsepower engine. I was going to do a teardown on this for a video and just show how everything was inside and how it all came apart and how to put it back together. But, oh, now I'm almost dead on my battery. But I couldn't get these pulleys off, so I'm going to try and make this quick before my battery cuts out on me. But here's the impact driver on the head bolts, which this was the primary purpose I bought this for, was to kind of replace the air tools. Wow. Oh, stripping the head. Try that one again. Wow. I've never had these off. Almost effortlessly. Wow. I am impressed. That one's never been out. Jeez, that one's already loose. Wow, I am very impressed with that. I hope you're getting this. Let's go around and well, I'm not too concerned with this engine, but wow. Just out of curiosity, let's see what that torqued that down to. 1 minute. Alright, well, I hope this focuses. So it's around 25 before it starts moving. That's what it looks like to me. So 25 foot-pounds of torque on that, roughly. Maybe 30. I'd give it the benefit of the doubt. But I'm very impressed with that thing. Something I also hadn't noticed. This is a 1/2-inch drill bit, or a drill chuck. That's very nice. I don't really have anything I can try out with a drill at the moment. I don't know how much of a test this is, but I got this 3/4 inch hole drill. And we'll see how it, I would imagine it'd eat through this pretty easy. Didn't seem to. I put it down in first gear. It could also be the battery's low. Let me try it in a different setting and try that again. Nope, she's like, try on a. I wonder if the battery's low, but it will do the whole, or that's really more than I thought it'd be. It does have that style in. Let's give the battery don't die. Let's give that other one a shot. Ooh, that's warm. Okay, battery's about to die. Nope, she don't like that either. I think it will. Okay, that's going to do it for this video. See you next video. Have a great day. This is